your problem is. You'll never see me. Truly, I want you to take me serious. I want you to take me serious. Okay, so apparently I've been slacking on my colorful looks and I didn't know it and nobody informed me. So you know what? This is what we doing. Because I looked at my Instagram and I'm like, why is it like kind of semi-colorful but more on a neutral side? I'm like, nah, we're not doing that. No, so I gotta get back to the color. Okay. So we're gonna take, what is this? Basically 2 pinks, so like a light pink and a hot pink, and it's a September Rose Slush palette, you know, my go-to. So the light pink I'll use is Cotton Candy, and then the hot pink I'll use is Pink Lemonade. Yeah, that's what it's called. Like, this whole social media beauty influencer thing is really, really hard to get into, and I feel like my Instagram is just at a standstill, and it's really discouraging. I'm like, why is it just there? Like, my page is not moving. And I'm like, you know what? It's mainly my fault because I'm not being consistent like I need to be and like I used to. I don't know what's been going on, but we'll get back to that, okay? I am. Because this is actually what I want to do, and I'm not putting enough into it like I should be. So, let's go change. So, we're about to get back to the colorful looks, back to the glitter. I'm going to stop slacking. Okay, then we're going to go into the Pink Lemonade. Okay, so I'm going to take Blackcurrant and Cherry Limeade. Okay. Or did I add another color in it before that? No, I think I had added Black Cherry before that. So it's the burgundy shade that I'm always using. So I hate when I do stuff like this when I'm using like basically all the same color but different shades of that color, and I can never forget what I did first. Okay, so now I'm going to Blackcurrant, which is the dark purple. And I don't know why they call it Blackcurrant. I have no idea. Okay, so I just took and added some black in my crease just to deepen it up. And I'm going to cut my crease with the ColourPop Concealer and the Morphe 421 brush. Okay, so for the lid, I'm going to take this pigment. I'm going to take the one at the top, which is the pink one. And this is from BaddieCosmetics.com. And I will have the link below because you can also use my code Keke, get you some money off, okay? So I've had these for a while now. But using pigments are so hard, especially loose powdery ones like this. And they are so messy. Like, I don't know how people just be using them like it's nothing. Like, the pigmentation is amazing, but to actually get it on and stay, so hard. The best way I've learned is take a little at a time and tap as much off on your brush as possible and really just press it in. Okay, and then for the rest of the lid, well, for the middle part, I'm taking Jlarue pigment and Melon Mermaid. It's like a iridescent bluish pinkish color. I don't know, but it's really pretty. Okay, and it's gonna smoke out my outer corner. I'm gonna add black first. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with the purple. Oh my goodness, I don't know why my eye is watering over here. I haven't did this in so long. It's like every blue moon my eye wants to water off. So I do my makeup. It's ridiculous.